I've got a meeting up the coast and I thought that we could go on a little adventure day, go cafe hopping, op shop hopping, see what we can find. So we found our first victim. It was a Vinnie's in Tugun while we were stopping to get a coffee. And I didn't really have high hopes for it because I feel like things on main streets are like overpriced. People have access to it, so they're normally trawled through and everything good is gone. It was a very well organized one, and I found the most beautiful embroidered lacy cami. And look at these like hibiscus flowers up the top. I'm looking for some like lightweight button-ups to wear while I go walking and stuff over summer. We got a muffin and some coffee to get through, and then we'll figure out what we're going to stop next. $1.
Close.
Holy.
And less price.
Wow. So everything was $1 at this op shop today. It is along Crumlin Creek Road. I found this epic 80s layered gathered dress and I left it behind. It was beautiful, but I feel like I just wouldn't wear it, but it was so cool. So if you like that, I've left it there. And then I got this beautiful tropical print pant and top combination. And then this, would you call that tie-dye? No, it's more like a
wash dye.
Yeah, wash dye print. Again, a two-piece. I mainly got it just for the material. Probably won't leave it as it is, but I feel like I could make an epic little summer number out of this. It's lightweight, flowy, fun colors. Then I got some books for the styling around home, and then you can see in the back there, I literally, to like my friend and to Darcy and a few other people, I've been telling them that I've been obsessed with wicker rattan lampshades, and I've been looking on Marketplace, I've been looking on Etsy, like everywhere to try and find some. They're so expensive or like just not the right design. I just got one for $1 in the op shop. If you don't believe in manifesting, that is proof that it exists. Going on. We went to the Burley op shop. Didn't find anything amazing there. There were a few cute skirts and I don't know, baskets and little things, but wasn't sold. We had to run into Spotlight. I got a zipper for an upcoming project and a strap for another upcoming project. Then I just went to my meeting with my friend Ellen, and we are working on a collaborative video as well as an ebook. It's going to be all about fabric, so I'm excited to share that with you guys. And then now back in the car with Darcy. Had a little nap in the van out the front of their place. Don't know if I can. Oh, there's an op shop. We're going to drive back down the coast. Originally I wanted to go for a swim, but now there's all clouds everywhere, so I'm probably not going to do that. So we ended up stopping into that op shop at Burley. It was a little bit overpriced. There were a few things that I kind of liked, but yeah, didn't love for the price tags that were there. There's this iconic antique shop in the main street of Coolangatta, and unfortunately it is closing down, and my friend messaged me about this, and we ended up going there the next day on an impromptu little adventure. Days later, I have washed everything is nice and clean. I've had to play around with styling things at home, and now we can go through what we found. In Tugun at Vinnie's, I found this insane Alana Hill lacy top. I ended up showing this to mum when I went over to hers, and she flipped out because apparently she loves Alana Hill and she's an Australian designer icon, which I have now recently found out after looking her up.
Oh, it's so special.
Why?
Hell, you've got to read about her. She's amazing.
Everything she did is a work of art, quoted by mum. I'm currently wearing a bikini top underneath this, and as you can see, it is very, very see-through, but the embroidery detail of these like hibiscuses on the top here are insanely beautiful. So I just need to figure out what to do. Maybe I just add a little bit of lining underneath this top section, but I'm obsessed with it. It's beautiful. A little top that I can throw on over summer or even winter when I go walking. Half cotton, half linen, so that means it's nice and breezy and natural. Nothing special. Next up is this two-piece set. Okay, but these pants, so cute, fit perfectly. I actually don't know what the material is. It's in a different language, but feels like very silky. Has pockets, perfect little summer essential. I look like I'm ready to go on like a cruise. It's actually so comfortable. But the print is insanely beautiful. It's kind of got like banana palms, hibiscus. Separately, pants, beautiful, wear them as is. The top, I haven't really styled it yet on its own. Like, would this go with other pants or a skirt, or should I try and upcycle and do something else with it? I had an interesting idea the other day. It has a big center back seam that goes the whole way down. And I'm like, could I wear it backwards, unpick that center section and turn it into like a button-up top? Maybe add a collar so it looks like a button-up top. Wild, but potentially you could wear it more like that. Maybe I'm not mad about how it is. It does currently have shoulder pads, which I would probably get rid of. But like, the fit is quite nice. Next up, and from the same op shop, which was in Currumbin, we have this two-piece set, which mainly I just got for the material. I love the color of it, and it has like a nice crepey finish to it. I think this could be a great summer number, like throwing on over the top of bikinis. It seems like it has like a nice airy finish to it, and it not matter if it gets wet. And then this one is a very like long dress, which I probably wouldn't wear it as is. So trying to think of some things I can do with this. Like, do I turn this into a two-piece set on its own? Do I add some ruching to it and like give it a big gathered effect? Plenty of material there to play with. Fun print, good little find. And while I was at this same op shop, I found my dream wicker lampshade. I've been pinning stuff like this on Pinterest for so long, and I got this one for $1. I'm not sure. So good. Then I will show you what we found at the antique shop. This dress is honestly my dreams. It's kind of got this like polo shirt finish up the top, and then an insanely beautiful pastel floral print. Easy number to have into the wardrobe. I love just tops that have simple sleeves, a shift style dress fit. You don't really have to think much about throwing on. You can just like grab it, pop some shoes on, throw your bag over it, and it's an easy outfit. Personally, I find this like a bit awkward for my style and my body, so I want to bring it up just a little bit. So cute. At the same antique shop, we got a little hula girl for the front of our car. We've wanted one of these for so long. Found this like resin or plastic clamshell, which I'm gonna try spray it all like a golden color, so it looks like there's kind of like modern looking clamshell hooks. And then probably one of my favorite things over the past few days that I've found, this squiggly little candle holder, which on its own you're like, what is that? That is so weird. But everything pinning on Pinterest or saving on Instagram for my dream lamp has been those wavy style base lamps with a wicker lampshade. Found that a few days before I found this, and then when I bought this home I realized that it fits on perfectly, and then it creates my dream lamp. So I need to figure out how to add a light on top of there that is solid steel, so I don't think I will be putting an actual like lead through there with power. I'll probably get a battery powered something to stick on top of there. I'm torn whether to spray paint this all dark. As you can see, I'll put some pictures over the top of the inspiration that I have been looking at. A lot of them do have black bases, but then I've also seen other styles where they paint it like a pastel color or like a cream or an off-white, and I think that's kind of like a quirky twist on it. Yeah, I'm not sure. We don't really have many dark details around our home, but then maybe that's what we need, that little point of difference. I'm sure I'll post more about this as it comes together, but so happy with this little combo. Well, I think that's pretty much everything that we found over the past few days while we were adventuring around the Gold Coast and getting things done. I hope you enjoyed this chill little video and adventuring around with me. Again, if you have any ideas for the things I have found that need a little bit of love, let me know below in the comments. And of course, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, as I've got plenty more like this in the works. I hope wherever you are having a lovely day, and I'll see you guys in the upcoming videos.